Alright, so here's an update on what's happening with my car right now. So what happened right after I found out my catalytic converter was stolen, what we did is we called the police and we filed a police report. Okay, so that's done. And then after that, I called the insurance claim, Geico. What happened after that is I was able to be covered under comprehensive coverage, which covers theft and stolen items from the car. So that's great. And then what happened after that was they're going to send in an adjuster, and then they're also going to tow my car to the car shop to get my car fixed and replace the catalytic converter. And then they also have to send an adjuster out to check my car to see how much it would cost. I have like a $500 deductible, and I also asked for a loaner car. They also cover that, $50 per day, and then I would just have to cover the insurance. And so all of that right now, it is Friday, and all of that is going to be taken care of on Monday. So I have to stay home until then. But what is great is there is good from this, at least until I get a replacement. I get a loaner car until my car gets fixed. My rental is covered $50 a day, which is great. And the total I'm covered is at least $1,500 for the rental, so that's at least a month out. That's if I need it for that long. And then from there, I get my car back after it's repaired. So I learned so much. Okay, so it's so important that you get full coverage. I'm thankful that I have full coverage. Thankful for my brother that he pays for the insurance coverage of my car. Because if it wasn't for that, I would probably not pay full coverage for my car, thinking that something like this wasn't going to happen. But it did. And I also found out that Toyota Echoes, they steal the catalytic converter because it's worth a lot. The metal that is made inside that whatever it's called, catalytic converter, very valuable. Just a time when I thought that my Toyota Echo was not valuable, people out there knew that it was. So that's a mistake on my end. And also, they also asked the exhaust systems when I called. Also, the police station, they knew what was stolen. As soon as I said a part in my car was stolen, the first thing they asked was it a catalytic converter? And they already knew that stuff. Me, I just learned this. I just learned that they be stealing this stuff for a while now. In the malls, different neighborhoods. It's crazy. Why would you do such a thing? You know? So that's basically what's happening. That's the update right now. I can't go anywhere. And that's basically it. That's just how it's gonna be now. So yeah. But thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. And that is the update right now. And I will probably see you guys later. Probably any other updates. Okay, bye-bye.